Tommy found a lake so bright, filled with bubbles, pure delight. Rainbow sparkles danced all day, magic shimmered all the way. Tommy sailed a bubble boat, watching happy fish afloat. Butterflies flew through the sky, waving cheerfully nearby. Tommy hopped from bubble to bubble, laughing without any trouble. Rainbow bubbles bounced with glee. What a magical path to see. Bubble dolphins splashed with cheer, smiling fish swam far and near. Together they played all day, making joyful waves of play. Tommy found a treasure chest, filled with gems the very best. Rainbow jewels sparkled bright, shining with magical light. Tommy hopped from bubble to bubble, laughing without any trouble. Rainbow bubbles bounced with glee. What a magical path to see. Tommy touched the fountain high, bubbles floated to the sky. Stars and colors twirled around, magic sparkled all around. Crystal bubbles glowed so clear, making every step bring cheer. Tommy soared with bubbles high, floating softly through the sky. Rainbow birds flew by his side, sharing every happy ride. Tommy found a glowing cave, hidden by the sparkling wave. Magic pearls and crystals bright fill the cave with shining light.